Hey guys, welcome back to PowerApps Learning channel. In today's video, we are going to look at how we can build a people picker control in PowerApps, wherein you can select the user from your Active Directory in your form. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I just preview this app, you can see here there is a combo box control wherein I can search for the user and select that particular user. I can just close it. Even I can see all the users from my organization. So this is the control I was talking about, how we can build it. We are going to see it in detail. If you look at the controls which are available in the PowerApps by default, there are a lot of controls available, but you don't have a people picker control by default available. So you have to build it yourself. If you're using SharePoint form, if you're binding your forms to the SharePoint list, and if you have a user and group column over there, the PowerApps will build the people picker control in your form automatically. If you have other than SharePoint as a data source like SQL or anything else, wherein you don't have user or people picker field as such, so you have to build the control by yourself. Now let's see how we are going to do it. First, you need to add the combo box control in your form. Okay, so I'll just pull this down. So you have to add the combo box control in your form. Then as a data source, you have to make use of Office 365 users as a data source. So what I'll do, I'll just remove this and let's add a data source, Office 365 users. Okay, this is the data source which we need to use. This data source will give you the list of users from your organization. Once you add the data source, now go to the combo box, go to items property, and here type Office 365 users dot search users. Search users is a function using which you can search the users across your organization. Now this function needs two parameters, which is search term and top. We will just hit tab, and this is the parameter, like on what is the data you want to search across this Office 365 users. Whatever I'm going to enter in this combo box, I want to pass that data here. So how I can do that is you have to use self. This will give you the property of this combo box itself, and there is a property called search text. So this will give you the whatever text you are going to enter in the combo box to search, that you will get it here, and it will be sent as a search term to this search user function, which will search across Office 365 users and give you the result. Now next thing is you have to choose how do you want to present this data in the combo box. Do you just want to show a single value, which is let's say display name or email, or you want to show multiple values, or even if you want to show the profile picture of the user. I'll just go with this. So the primary text would be the display name, the secondary text would be the mail. I want to search based on the display name. Let's see how it goes. I'll just preview, and you can see already there are users by default here, and if I start searching on it, I can see it, I can see the result, I can select it. Okay, I can just clear it, again search another user, I can find it. Then here you can choose, okay, do you want to allow multiple selection, or you just want to have a single selection, allow searching or not. If you want to treat this as a drop down, you can just disable the searching and it will show you the list of users from your organization, and user can just select from it. So if you look at it again, you don't see a profile picture here. Well, because picture is not available in this data source itself, you have to make a separate call to get that. So you won't be able to show it here using this approach. To show the profile picture in the people picker control, you have to make use of gallery control. So we'll see it in a separate video. In this video, as I said, you can just easily build the people picker control using making use of combo box and Office 365 users data connector. Now let's see how we can set the default value to this people picker control. So what you need to do is select the control, go to the default selected items. Again here you have to search the user which you want to set as default. Same, search term, and now what you want to, which user you want to set as default. If you want to set the logged in user as a default user, you can just use user.email, send the email address to this search function, and then you will get the multiple users, but then you can select the first one out of it. So this will give you the user, the logged in user, and that will be set as default. So if you look at it, already it's changing and it is setting my name or my user as a default to this. So I'll just show you here. So if I just close this and if I search anything else, and here is it, I just added a reset function here. So I'll just reset it. So once you see, once I reset it, it is setting it to default value, which is this one. So this is how you can set the default value also to the people picker control. I think that's it in this video. I hope this will help you guys. Thank you so much for watching.